Have you ever wondered if house hacking is for you or not even sure what house hacking is? We are going to explore the benefits of house hacking here in Cape Coral, Florida, and how many people have used house hacking to pay down their mortgage, buy the dream home they've always wanted, and built incredible wealth. Many people think that house hacking is renting out a bedroom in your home to a perfect stranger. Well, this is truly one of the definitions of house hacking. There are many other types that don't include sharing your bathroom with a stranger. Stick around to the end, and we're going to explore the different options for you to house hack and build wealth here in Cape Coral, Florida. Welcome in, my name is Barry Cessna, your Cape Coral short-term rental specialist with Carver Group International, brokered by eXp Realty. My team and I work with local, national, and international investors here in South Florida, identifying the best properties that will give you the highest ROI or return on your investment. Contact me today to experience the Carver Group difference. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, you're going to want to subscribe as I put out a lot of helpful information on the topic of vacation homes and short-term rentals and investments here in the Cape Coral area. Okay, let's get started. Let's dive into the benefits of house hacking here in Cape Coral, Florida. If you're not familiar with the term, house hacking is a strategy to reduce or eliminate your housing expenses by buying a property and renting out a part of it while you live in the other part. Now, this could include a duplex, triplex, or fourplex, living in one unit and then renting out the others. This could also include a home with a mother-in-law suite. It also may include renting out rooms in your house to friends or family. And my favorite, which is a hybrid, is buying your Cape Coral dream home and renting it out as a short-term rental when you're not in town. It can be a great way to start building wealth and achieving financial freedom. So let's explore some of the benefits. First, lower housing costs. The most obvious benefit of house hacking in Cape Coral is lower housing costs. By renting out part of your property, you can offset your mortgage, taxes, and insurance payments, or even generate positive cash flow. Now, this can free up a significant amount of money that you can use to pay off debt, save for emergencies, invest in other assets, or simply enjoy a better quality of life. Now, the second benefit is low entry cost. One of the biggest advantages of house hacking is the low cost of entry. As a current investor or future investor who is trying to break into the wonderful world of Cape Coral real estate, house hacking provides you with a very low upfront investment. If the home is going to be your primary residence, you can buy with as little as 3.5% down. If you're a veteran and using a VA loan, you can buy with 0% down. Now, if you plan to buy your Cape Coral dream home as a second home, you can buy it with as little as 10% down. House hacking opens up many options that you may not have been aware of before. Now, the third benefit is real estate appreciation. Another benefit of house hacking is real estate appreciation. Real estate is a tangible asset that tends to appreciate over time, especially in growing markets like Cape Coral. By owning a property, you can benefit from the appreciation of its value, which can increase your net worth and provide a hedge against inflation. Moreover, if you decide to sell your property later, you can potentially realize a capital gain and use it to invest in other properties or assets. Now, the fourth benefit is tax advantages. House hacking can often offer tax advantages. As a Cape Coral homeowner, you can deduct certain expenses related to your rental activities, such as repairs, utilities, insurance, and depreciation. Now, additionally, if you qualify for the primary residence exemption, you can exclude up to $250,000 or $500,000 if married and filing jointly of capital gain from the sale of your property, as long as you have lived in it for at least 2 of the last 5 years. You will want to consult a tax professional for more information. Now, the fifth benefit is flexibility and control. House hacking can provide flexibility and control over your living situation. Unlike renting, where you are subject to the landlord's rules and policies and rent increases, house hacking allows you to customize your living space and choose your tenants. You can also decide how involved you want to be in the management of your property, from doing everything yourself to hiring a great Cape Coral property manager. Moreover, when it's time to purchase your next home, you can keep renting out the property and generate passive income. Now, the sixth benefit is the social benefit. Finally, house hacking can offer social benefits. By living in close proximity to your tenants, You can develop relationships, share resources, and build a sense of community. This can lead to a more fulfilling and enjoyable living experience, as well as potential business opportunities and referrals. As you can see, there are many advantages to house hacking here in Cape Coral. Of course, house hacking is not for everyone, and it can be a little uncomfortable at times. It requires careful planning, research, and execution. But if you're willing to put in the effort, willing to step outside the box, outside the comfort zone, it can be a smart and rewarding way to achieve your financial goals and live on your own terms. My name is Barry Seston with Carver Group International, and my team and I specialize in helping domestic and international investors get great returns on their real estate investments. We work with you through the acquisition process and connect you with the professionals that will ensure many years of successful investing. Cape Coral is an extraordinary city with a strong short-term and long-term rental market that is projected for incredible growth for the next several years. Purchase now and take advantage of the continued appreciation while using your rental income to pay down your mortgage. If you like the information that we provide, please click the like button below and subscribe to be the first to watch new videos when they are uploaded. My goal is to be a resource for you and to provide you with the tools and expertise to feel confident throughout the buying process. Whether you're planning to buy a second home or an investment property, or maybe it's time for your family to sell, I look forward to helping you with all your real estate needs. And remember, as a short-term rental specialist, I have access to some of the best short-term rental investments in Florida. From Cape Coral to Miami to Orlando, Florida is full of opportunities if you know where to look. Contact me today to experience the Carver Group difference, making realty dreams a reality.